Beth Rose, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today I made this super cute, sparkly acorn garland. What I used for today's craft is jute, gold glitter, a paintbrush, clear Mod Podge, acorns, and a napkin to protect my surface. Start by unfolding your napkin and setting it aside, and then take your gold glitter and pour out a small pile in the corner so that it's easier to dip the acorns. Now crack open your Mod Podge and get your paintbrush ready. Now grab a handful of acorns and set them on the napkin. If it helps you move faster, you can go ahead and pre-match the bottoms with the hats, or you can go along and do it as you go, like I did. Now to decorate the jute, you just want to fill your acorn hat with a little dollop of glue. Go ahead and set the string in the middle of that, and then press your acorn on top of the string. You might have to hold it for just a second longer so that it doesn't come undone. Now just take your Mod Podge and spread a little bit of glue over the cap, and then dip that in your pile of glitter. Tap off the extra glitter. Do that as many times as you need to until you get your desired length. Match the ends of the acorns and cut. Now take your Mod Podge and coat the tops of your acorns so that your glitter doesn't fall off, and don't worry, this does dry clear. Here's my finished garland. I love making this craft because it is so simple and easy to do and can be used to decorate anything. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day!